One thing I'm really good at is jumping on to do a video when there's only 6% on the camera. But guys, it doesn't need to be hard, you know. Life doesn't need to be hard. Sitting here with an herbal tea. I've got my Smokies protein shake. It's the duo post-workout, calm the gut. Allow it some time to partition the food and the nutrients from the shake. Just feeling good, man. And yesterday, if you saw on my Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, feel free to Lewis McFarlane Coaching. I was really ill. I had gastrointestinitis, and I was down bad, man. I lost 4 kilos in 24 hours, couldn't stomach any food. And I had a lot of time to soul search. Didn't go on my phone much, just, stayed present with, reality transurfing, shifting the slides, reading some Eckhart Tolle, Power of Now, and just being at peace, being at peace for as long as I could. And the storm passed. I got an IV drip. I got the medication. Thank God for Western medication. It does come in handy for that quick relief when you need it. But guys, on your path to success, on your path to building the body you want, the bank balance you want, the relationships you want, it doesn't need to be hard. It doesn't need to be a grind. It doesn't need to be a challenge. And this was me for a long time. I used to think everything came at a cost. Like my new life came at a cost of my old life, 100%. But the paradigm I was in for as long as I was in that, it wasn't serving me, I used to wake up anxious and stressed and have to use certain vices to get through the day. And everything I was building, although I built it, was built on false pretenses. It was all a fugazi. It was all looked good from the outside, but felt awful on the inside. And like in the book Reality Transurfing, it says, remove importance. Remove any importance from your goals. Set the goal. Set your ideal slide, your end goal. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Who do you become when you're there? And then frame your mind to be as he would be now. That's so Bali for you. So Bali for you. But yeah, when I was down bad yesterday, it got me thinking, because it's the first time I've actually been forced to chill out and switch off in a while. And I always look at life as a game of setbacks, lessons, and then perspectives. And the perspective I now gained from yesterday was life can be as you make it. Nothing is as important as it has to be. Like getting down to single digit body fat is good. It's cool. It's easy. But you have to make sure your identity aligns up with it being easy. You have to be at peace with losing fat. And when your calories come down, you're feeling the pull, be at peace with that. I'm cool with that. I accepted this. Getting lean requires less food. So yeah, I've agreed to this consequence. And you're fine with that. You remove importance. You don't try harder with it. You don't push your cardio harder. You don't train even more. Like, I'm massive believer on 3 lifts per week, little bit of zone 2 cardio, 10, 15k steps a day, hit your macros, hit your protein, eat amazing food that you love. Like today, my first meal was a cookie and some chicken. And then my second meal today, and it's now 4 p.m. having a protein shake with some fruit. And I'm aware this camera is going to die, and I want to continue this video, but I'm going to run it out until it dies, and then we'll call it a job's well done. But remove all importance from the goal you're trying to achieve. Set the lens, set the frame, Realize that if you accept that goal, you accept everything that comes with that, and then be at complete peace with that. Be at peace with the money goals that you set, be at peace with the relationship goals you set, be grateful for every challenge that comes your way, and wake up in the morning excited to face them. Don't dread anything. If you dread things in life, of course your life's going to be hard, but if you fully conceptualize and accept the reality in which you're in, the lens in which you need to perform within to achieve that outcome, you'll find yourself moving towards that at such a smoother pace, because you know it's already happened. You've already became the man you need to be. If it happens in 5 years, your goal, then it was you that achieved it in 5 years, but it's still you that achieved it, so therefore you right now in the moment have done it. So just imagine what life would look like. Imagine you scratched a lottery card and you won $2 million, but you weren't allowed to get it for 30 days. You weren't allowed that $2 million for 30 days. How would you operate every day for the next 30 days if you knew you were going to have $2 million, $200 million, $100 million, whatever, infinity money? If you were to have that reach your bank account, what would happen? How would you operate? How would you greet people? How would you look after your health? How would you wake up in the morning? Just think about that sometimes. And then think what would happen if you're 6% body fat, your ideal weight, you were aura maxing, you looked great, your skin was healthy, you felt confident. What would happen if you already had that? You just weren't it yet, but it was on its way. What would you do? How would you operate? How would things look? How would things feel? That's the frame you have to hold in life. And it's not about more hard work. It's about surrendering to the fact that you're enough right now. You can do it now. And when you just submit to that process, things get easier. They don't get easy, they get easier. And it's simple in concept. But to embody this mindset, you have to fully be confident with who you are from a self-worth component. But that's when everything changes. That's when everything aligns. That's when you become your highest frequency self, the best version of you. You're not chasing, you're not wanting, you're not needing. You are just it. You are him. You have became him now. I am him. You're allowed that identity. You're allowed to believe you are. Because it's better than believing you're not. And when you allow that to happen, that's when you just are at peace. Doesn't mean you don't take ownership and control of all the things that must be focused upon, but you make them easy, you gamify them. That's how you win. That's how you get where you want to go. And when you start doing that, you start ripping. Business gets easier, life gets easier, body, you start shredding body fat really quickly, you get lean really quickly. People respect you more. This is what I've been doing with my clients for a long time, is like just changing their beliefs and their mindsets on how they approach things. Because I've been in this game for long enough now. I've made all the mistakes, I've done all the wrong things. I know what it's like to chew glass and get the result. And I know what it's like to just enjoy life and get the result. And the latter is far superior. So guys, if you want a fun, more relaxed, enjoyable way of getting in shape, getting lean, maxing at your test level, just aura maxing, just living, building your business with that, and just feeling at peace, there's going to be a link below. Hit it. It's the only thing I have to sell anyone, which is me, my time, my energy, my coaching. It's my purpose, it's my passion, and if I can help another person with what I do, then I'm winning. I'm doing great. So options there, the offers there, there's no obligation. Camera's about to die. I know this is running on a wee bit, but the peaceful way is the better way, trust me. You got to remove the bullshit though. No vices, no drugs, no alcohol, no porn, none of that, and just be at peace with everything else. That's when you win. I'll see you soon, guys.